In this video, I will explain to you why men fall in love so fast. Love is a whirlwind. It can sweep you off your feet and leave you breathless, and sometimes it feels like men get there much faster than women. But is this really true, or is it just a perception? Let's dive into the reasons why men might appear to fall for you quicker, exploring biology, psychology, and communication styles. Try to watch this video to the end because I have a bonus tips for you towards the end of this video. Biology's role in the rush. The biology role is divided into three parts. The first part is the testosterone tango. Testosterone, the primary male sex hormone, plays a significant role in attraction and initial bonding. It fuels that initial spark and excitement, making men more likely to act impulsively on their feelings. However, as a relationship progresses, testosterone levels tend to stabilize, allowing for a deeper emotional connection to form. The second part is reward system. When you connect with someone special, the brain releases a cocktail of feel-good chemicals like dopamine and oxytocin. These create a sense of euphoria and intense attachment, which men might readily interpret as love. Before we go further, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. It doesn't cost any money. Please do this to support us. Thanks. As you do, let's continue. The third part is the male brain in love. Studies suggest that men may be more prone to compartmentalizing emotions. They might focus on the positive aspects of a new relationship without overthinking potential problems. This can lead to a quicker declaration of love, even if the foundation isn't as strong. Men are often socialized to be decisive and take action. Feeling a strong connection might translate into wanting to claim the relationship sooner rather than later. This decisiveness can be mistaken for deeper feelings. Let's dive into the communication styles. Women are generally more comfortable expressing their emotions verbally. Men, on the other hand, might express their affection through actions or gestures. This can lead to misinterpretations. A grand gesture might be seen as love when it's simply a strong desire for connection. Men tend to be more present moment focused. They might enjoy the current feelings of intensity and express them readily. Women, on the other hand, might be more cautious, considering long-term compatibility before labeling it love. Beyond biology and communication, let us unveil the mystery of male affection. While biology and communication styles offer valuable insights, the exploration of why men appear to fall in love faster doesn't stop there. Let's delve deeper into some often overlooked factors. The first factor is the power of vulnerability. Men who are comfortable expressing their vulnerabilities might be more likely to fall in love quickly. This openness allows them to connect with a partner on a deeper level, fostering the feeling of being truly seen and understood. Societal pressures often push men to project an image of strength and stoicism. However, breaking free from these expectations and allowing themselves to be vulnerable with a partner can create a powerful emotional bond and accelerate feelings of love. The second factor is the quest for connection. Humans are social creatures with an innate need for connection. Men who haven't experienced strong emotional support systems might be drawn to relationships that offer a sense of belonging and acceptance. This intense desire for connection can be misconstrued as love, especially in the initial stages. A partner who fulfills a man's emotional needs, whether it's companionship, understanding, or intellectual stimulation, can trigger strong feelings of attachment. This doesn't necessarily equate to lasting love, but it can create a powerful initial spark. The third factor is role of self-discovery. Relationships can act as mirrors, reflecting back both our strengths and weaknesses. A partner who helps a man discover positive aspects of himself can ignite feelings of gratitude and admiration, which can be mistaken for love, especially if the man has low self-esteem. The societal narrative of finding someone who completes you can be particularly misleading for men. Falling for someone who seems to fulfill a perceived missing piece can create an illusion of perfect compatibility, leading to a rush of emotions. Love is a complex tapestry woven from biology, psychology, and individual experiences. While men might seem to fall faster on the surface, the depth and longevity of love depend on a multitude of factors. By embracing open communication, self-awareness, and emotional vulnerability, both men and women can cultivate healthier, more fulfilling relationships, regardless of the initial pace. Now, the bonus point. Understanding limerence. Limerence is a state of intense infatuation characterized by intrusive thoughts, emotional dependence, and a desire for reciprocation. It can feel like love at first sight, but it's important to distinguish it from true love, which involves deeper emotional connection, trust, and commitment. Both men and women can experience limerence, and it's often a precursor to love, but it's not a guarantee. Remember, love takes time and effort, regardless of gender. Be open, communicate honestly, and enjoy the beautiful journey of falling in love at your own pace. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. See you in our next video.